You have these three easiest options if you do not like color scheme of your selected template in Squarespace as shown on screen. The first thing you can do is just change the current template and choose another one that comes preloaded with your favorite colors. Just click Home and then click Squarespace logo on top left corner of your screen. In the account dashboard, click on the option of Create Website. Select a template with your favorite built-in colors just to avoid hassle of changing colors later. Please remember that changing colors in Squarespace is comparatively difficult than changing fonts or other design elements. Therefore, while selecting a template, you should not be impressed by design or template images or font styles, because all these can be easily customized. You should choose a template primarily because you like its color scheme. You can also guess color scheme of a template in its preview mode. Please note that you should change template before purchasing a website plan from Squarespace. Your second best option is choosing favorite color scheme through presets, as it is another easiest way of color customization in Squarespace. Just click any preset to select it if you like its color combination for background, text, buttons, etc. Here you can see that colors on my website have been changed through single click. Your third option with better control on color selection is to edit color scheme by editing primary color theme of the template. But first you must know and identify the primary color theme to apply colors all over website on all pages. In fact, primary color theme of your Squarespace website is the default color scheme applied by the template designer on most section of original template. Out of these 10 color themes, only is the primary color theme which changes colors all over website on all pages in single click. Rest 9 are the general color themes which only change color of a specific section on a page. On the screen, I have opened 4 different templates of Squarespace website. Each template comes with a different primary color theme. To determine the primary color theme of a template, create a new page or add a section on a page and focus on background and text colors on the most built-in layouts. Then match the same colors in themes list. You will easily find the primary color theme of a template. For example, you can see that most built-in layouts in this Barbosa template have dark green color as background color and white color as text color. It means the primary color theme of this Barbosa template is dark green. Let's check it in themes list. You can see that the matching color in themes list is dark 1. It means the primary color theme in Barbosa template is dark 1. That is also mentioned inside preview. Similarly, in Ballad template, the primary color theme is the lightest one, because when I click add section, most built-in layouts have white as background color, as you can see here, and it matches with the lightest one color theme, which determines that lightest one is the primary color theme of Ballad template. Similarly, Lusaka template also has lightest one as primary color theme. And finally, on similar lines, Carmine template has yellow background on most built-in layouts. After I click add section, let's find out which one will be the primary color theme of Carmine template. So the primary color theme in the Carmine template is bright 2. It is also mentioned inside preview on top of section. It means that if I change colors in this bright color theme, it will change colors of most sections on my Squarespace website on all pages. For any difficulty, you can also avail Dozero services for color customizations or building your Squarespace website altogether. If you like color scheme of Dozero website, you can buy from us the complete color theme with exact color codes for your Squarespace website. You can learn more about changing colors on your Squarespace website in these next videos by Dozero. Hey guys, I'm Irfan Hayat, founder of Dozero. If you like this video, consider liking it and following our social media pages. You may also look into description below for some useful links. You will learn here everything about e-business. That's it for me. Thank you so much for your time.